All right, all you may need to heat things up this holiday is some homemade Baileys and Kahlua. This is the third day in the row. We're in the kitchen here, and we're making drinks. And Tricia, Szasz from Parkville Artisans Studio is in the house, and she also has a cookbook out. And this recipe is featured in that cookbook, correct?
It is, and it's the holidays. It's the time of the year for this.
Okay.
Have some drinks for your guests when they come over, and have homemade gifts.
Yeah.
This makes a great gift. Just put a couple of batches of this together, bottle it up in some cute little mason jars. You got gifts for every party you go to this year.
Well, I'm ready to make it and sample it. I don't know about giving it away yet.
Depends on how good it is.
You got to try it first before you give it away, right?
Of course.
Of course.
First thing we're going to try is we're going to make the Kahlua.
Okay, so we're going to make, so this is homemade Kahlua.
Homemade Kahlua.
So that's like, explain what Kahlua is, because I know
like
it's a liqueur.
Coffee-flavored liqueur.
Okay.
Usually we would drink it with like a White Russian, would have the
milk
Irish
and vodka
cream,
in it, right?
and it would usually have the Kahlua in it, some cream in it. It's good for your coffee in the morning.
That's right. There we go. What's the movie where the guy drinks White Russians all the time?
Oh.
The Big Lebowski. That's what it is.
That's what it is. That's what it is. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this water in here. It's three and a half cups of water.
Okay.
I'm going to put 3 cups of sugar in here.
Do you have enough sugar?
I do.
Okay.
Just enough.
Just enough.
3 cups is about what we're going to need. And then I'm going to put some coffee crystals in here.
Okay.
You've had these before,
yeah, this
maybe,
is the instant,
back in college.
Coffee crystals,
sure. I think I need 3.5 tablespoons of this. This isn't a perfect science. You know, close enough. 2, 3 and a half.
A little bit more. There we go.
You know, that's good.
I like the fact that you measure stuff the way I measure stuff.
Right.
See, I think that's why we get along.
The only one you really have to be careful with is this one.
The Everclear, yeah.
We don't want to put too much of that in there.
I have other stories about that from college, but we'll tell those after when we go to
later.
Commercial break.
So this is going to sit here, and I've got this on. It's going to warm up a little bit, and we're only going to cook this till the sugar dissolves.
Oh yeah, okay.
That's all we really need to do. So while that is dissolving, we're going to go back over here to the Baileys.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're back over here now.
This one is pretty simple. You know, I like the simple stuff.
Keep it simple. That's right.
It calls for a single cup of Jameson's Irish whiskey.
Okay.
I want you to go ahead and put that in there.
All right.
Good.
Don't spill it.
Don't spill it. We don't want to waste the good stuff.
That's right.
Good.
Okay.
I want you to scooch this in there. This is Eagle brand condensed sweetened milk.
And you call for exactly this brand here?
Exactly that brand.
Okay.
Eagle makes the difference right there. So scooch that in there.
All right.
Yeah, there you go. And you can just leave that spatula right inside the can so it doesn't drip all over the place. Perfect.
There we go.
I got 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. That goes in there too. This is not on your diet plan, just so you know, okay?
What diet plan? Come on now. It's the holidays. Is there really a diet plan over the holidays?
That's right.
All right.
All right, so we got 3 eggs.
Okay.
I want you to dump these in there.
Are we going to cook this?
Nope.
Uh-oh.
It's going to stay in the fridge. Don't splash it on yourself.
Who knew it was going to splash like that?
We're going to have 1.5 tablespoons of Nestle Quick.
1.5 tablespoons?
1.5
All right,
tablespoons.
I'm told we got to speed it up, so I got to get going.
All right, that's
here.
okay. And
All right,
I'm going to put 1/2 teaspoon in of vanilla.
Oh my
and
goodness.
I'm going to put 1/2 teaspoon in of almond extract.
Oh, that was a little bit more than half
That's
teaspoon.
Fine.
That's okay.
Whatever, we don't care. We're good with that. All right, and we're going to mix this up.
All right.
This is all. Everything's ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready. You
ready?
hit it. Yep.
Okay, let's do it. Oh yeah, we got this.
Excellent.
And all you really want to do is just blend it up, get those eggs mixed up in there.
Yeah.
This is definitely something you want to keep in the refrigerator because it has the eggs in it.
Now, how much will this make? Will this make a couple mason jars full in here?
Usually, I'll make 3 of these.
Oh, okay.
With
one
of
batch.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
I'm going to have a little bit in a glass here, so you can try it if you want to.
There we go.
There you go.
All right. Well, thanks you for coming on the show and for giving us some good ideas on the Irish liqueur and the Kahluas. And thank you again very much for being here.
You're very welcome.
We sure appreciate it.
Thanks, Bill.
All right.